What's up guys, so you know that Apple released the iPhone SE, which is the mid-range mobile phone from the Apple in 2020, but Apple have still a lot of things to be released in the future. And today's video I am going to talk about all of them. So let's start from the AirTag. AirTag is a tracker from the Apple that you can attach to your stuffs, and whenever you misplace or lost them, you can easily find them. According to the Fudge on Twitter, this device will come with a built-in speaker and that will play a sound and will help you to track your lost item easier. So whenever you misplace your item, you just need to go and find my app and click on AirTag, and then AirTag will play a sound that will help you to find your items easier. The AirTag will also have activation logs. So when you enable the Find My AirTag option, nobody will be able to steal and use your device as the Apple security. And don't worry if your device doesn't have a U1 chip. U1 chip is not compulsory to use the AirTag. You can still use your AirTag if you don't have a U1 chip in your mobile phone, as like the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. But if your mobile phone have a U1 chip, AirTag is going to work more efficiently as compared to the other devices. But if you want to use the AR animations from your AirTag, you must have U1 chip in your mobile phone. And there is also rumor that if any iPhones comes close to the lost AirTag, an anonymous message will be sent to your device, and the AirTag is going to comes in different colors. So you can pick up your favorite colors of the AirTag. The next one is the Airpower. So last week we heard that Apple is still working on the Airpower, and we also got an image of the Apple's prototype Airpower. And today we got a new news. Apple is working on two types of the Airpower. The first one is C68 and the second one is C26. According to John Prosser, the C68 will be able to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch and the AirPods at the same time. On the other hand, the C26 is going to charge your one device at a time. So you can just charge your iPhone, Apple Watch or AirPods at a time. It is also going to be smaller as compared to the C68. And the last news is the big one. As we know that Apple is working on a smaller version of the AirPods Pro, which is going to be cheaper as compared to the AirPods Pro, which cost almost $249. First AirPods Pro Lite were supposed to be launched at the March event, but due to some reasons, Apple postponed that event, and still we didn't see the lighter version of the AirPods Pro. But we are not far from it. According to John Prosser, Apple are ready to release them as soon as the next month alongside the MacBook Pro, which also have a scissor key and some improvement as we already seen in the MacBook Air. As the AirPods Pro Lite is going to be cheaper from the AirPods Pro, it is also going to miss some features from the AirPods Pro like the active noise cancellation and the transparency mode, but still we will see the same sounds from the AirPods Pro at the cheaper price. And the estimated price of the AirPods Pro Lite is between $100 to $150. So that's all about today's video, and if you like this video, give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming latest tech videos, and I will see you in another video. Until peace out.